Hey everyone, today in this episode, I will show you how to choose the right e-commerce platform, Wix versus Shopify. As we are diving deep into the world of e-commerce platforms, specifically focusing on two popular choices, Wix and Shopify. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, finding the right platform is crucial for your online business success. So, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the first key feature you should look for an e-commerce platform: integration. Your online store can't exist in isolation. It needs to connect seamlessly with other systems you use in your business, such as newsletters, accounting software, and mobile apps. This ensures you can manage your operations effectively, even when you are on the go. But what about more advanced features? Maybe you want to set up an affiliate marketing program, start dropshipping products, or offer subscription-based services with recurring payments. Even if you don't need these features right away, it is a smart idea to choose a platform that offers them for future growth. Remember, you want your platform to grow with your business. Now that we have covered these essential features, let's dive into our first platform, Wix. Wix is an excellent choice for beginners, especially if you are not tech savvy. The platform offers a user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface that makes website customization a breeze. You can fully customize fonts, colors, and the overall look of your site. Plus, Wix provides a variety of free templates that you can tailor to match your branding. Once you upgrade to a business plan, you can start selling on your online store. Wix offers features like custom shipping rates, multilingual sites, currency conversions, subscription products, and digital product downloads. They also have a mobile app for managing your store on the go, even turning your phone into a mini POS system. However, Wix does have some limitations. Some users report slow site loading and mobile responsiveness issues, which can be problematic for an online store. Additionally, if you are not experienced with web design, the extensive drag and drop functionality can be overwhelming, potentially making it challenging to maintain consistent branding. Now, let's move on to our next contender, Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms globally, and it has earned its reputation for good reason. This robust platform continually improves the e-commerce experience for its users. Shopify takes care of everything, from making your site look beautiful to handling abandoned cart recovery. It boasts an extensive extension library with thousands of apps, catering to various needs such as dropshipping, print on demand, and more. Shopify is fully hosted, so you never have to worry about bug fixes or security updates. Plus, their customer service team is ready to assist whenever you need help. Shopify aims to democratize e-commerce, ensuring that it is accessible to all, regardless of your tech proficiency. They have crafted a user-friendly payment processing system and mobile application to facilitate the efficient management of orders and shipments, even for those who may not be highly skilled in technology. As your business grows, Shopify offers numerous add-ons, such as photo reviews, chatbots, and loyalty programs. They also provide unlimited bandwidth and online storage, so you won't face additional costs if your store experiences a sudden traffic surge. Even if you already have a website on platforms like Wix or Squarespace, you can embed the Shopify Buy button to access all its features for just like $12 a month. In summary, the decision between Wix and Shopify depends on your needs, skills, and business goals. Consider integration, advanced features, ease of use, and scalability when making your choice. These factors play a crucial role in determining which platform aligns best with your unique requirements and aspirations for your online business. If you are still unsure, both platforms offer trial periods, so you can test them out for yourself. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, Then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to choose the right e-commerce platform: BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.